Okay, so you guys know that we have tried Lunchables, so this time we're trying Lunchly. Oh, yeah, what up? Look at what we got here. First, let's taste the prime. Really good. Really good.